Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to rename folder on Wix.com. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go on your account, and if you want to change any folder name, then you will see your folders over the screen. Like I've created 3 different projects, and now I want to rename my folder. So as you can see guys, I have 3 different folders, and on all the 3 folders I have 3 dotted button. You have to click on it. The pop-up will appear on the screen, and here you will see rename folder. You have to click on it. Once you will click on your right option, then here you will see this typing bar. You have to write your folder name over here. Okay, I write the folder name over here, and now I'm going to save it by clicking this save button. So guys, as you can see over the screen here in this green bar, or you can see here as well, my folder name has been changed. Same as you can also rename your folders by follow these simple steps. So guys, this is how to rename folder name on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.